So hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to see the NLP, that is nothing but natural language processing. So in this we are going to see the text classification, then document classification, sentimental analysis and both text and sentimental analysis, aspect based analysis and many more. If you search on Google you will get multiple platforms for NLP. For example, Google platform, then Monkey Learn platform, then IBM Watson, Core.ai. So a lot of platforms are available for NLP. Okay, but if you see, the Google platform is one of the best platform for the NLP because it is giving all the services for free of cost related to NLP and many other services which are useful for the NLP projects also and the another projects also. Let me show you prerequisite for the Google Cloud NLP platform. So if you see here, so first thing was we have to go to the Google Cloud platform. So here I will search Google Cloud platform. So if you see here, here is the link, that is the Google Cloud free trial. We will offer you $300 credit. So just click here. So you will see this kind of page. So go to the get started free here at the right top corner and click there. And after you have to give your Google credentials. So I will give my email ID here and the password also. So it will come to this page. Okay, so if you see at the left side, so here is my email ID. Here we have to select the country, India, and here we have their agreement. So just click I have read and then continue. So in second step here it will give you the permissions to create a profile. Okay, so here we will create our profile. So it will ask for the customer info. So is your account is for business type or individual? Okay, so here I will select as individual. Okay, if you have any business account you can just click on the business. Here it has the tax information. So if you click here then it will ask you for the registration individual or unregistered individual. So click whichever option is suitable for you. So here is the PAN number, and PAN number is optional. So if necessary, if your business account, then you have to provide the credentials, or else no need. So go down. So if you see here, we have to provide the name and address. So here I am giving my name and address, and then you have to provide the city, that is Pune. Whatever your postal code, here you have to select a state. So I am selecting Maharashtra. After this, here it is you have to provide the phone number also. So it is optional. So no worries to give your phone number also. So if you see at the right corner, here we have all the access and free credit card and whichever the auto charge. Okay, so if you see here, the Google will provide you $300 credit in Indian currency. It will provide almost 24,000 in your Google account. Okay, so you can use the paid APIs in free account. So it will give you for 12 months, that is 1 year. It will not charge you anything, it's totally free. So click on the payment details. So here you have to provide your card details. It will accept only the MasterCard or the Visa card. So after giving all the information regarding the payment, just click on the start free trial. So after clicking, it will ask you for your security code which is available on your card. Okay, so just put that security code here and click on continue. So after that, this transaction you will get a continue window. Again click on continue. So it will open one page, that is the payment page. So if you can see here, we have two options. The first one is we can verify our account with the help of the Visa password, or else we can generate an OTP. So here I'm clicking on generate OTP and click on submit. After clicking an OTP, we will get this kind of window. So if you see here, it is only charging 1 rupees to us. Again, that 1 rupee will be credited in your account. So no need to worry about the charges. It is totally free. So after completion of process, again go to the Google Cloud platform. Search here Google Cloud platform. Again click on the free trial. Click on the console. Here at the top right corner you see the console. So just click on the console. So here at the left corner, you will see all your activities, that is the billing activity, natural language processing, then transaction, document, all the things. And this is your free billing account. So if you see at the downside here, Google will provide you 24,974 rupees, Indian rupees, free in your account. Okay. Whenever you can use any API or create a data set, it will charge you from this account. Okay, so it will give you free almost 24,974 rupees. So this is totally free of cost. So you can use this amount up to 1 year. So thank you so much, guys.